In a flash, Genshin Impact version 4.0 is coming to an end. Did you travelers enjoy your trip to Fontaine? Did you get your favorite characters and weapons? I got it, and I got 2 of them with free Primogems. Okay, you guys must don't care about my double 5 stars in temples, but I'm sure you care about this, the new phone that Dawei previewed at the version 4.0 special program, OnePlus Ace 2 Pro Paimon Edition. Compared to Hutao and the Xiangling Edition, the box of Paimon Edition is much smaller this time, and there's nothing too special about it, it's just a plain white box. The logo printed in the center is Triquetra, which is the one on Paimon's chest, hinting that the phone was designed with the Paimon as the theme. OnePlus knows that you might treat it as a collectible, so it used a plastic film to block the logo to avoid the scratches, which is a price-worthy practice. When you open the lid, you can see the card printed of the Paimon in the new outfit. I have to say that the Paimon edition was designed with more effort than Xiangling's, because at least miHoYo designed a new outfit for Paimon. Underneath the card is the same acrylic stand as Hutao edition. Inside is a multi-layer structure made of paper. There's nothing it can be used for, it's just a decoration. As Genshin Impact's mascot and the traveler's best friend, Paimon is very adorable no matter where you put it. Below the acrylic stand is the Ace 2 Pro. Let's put it aside and check out the rest of the accessories first. There are 2 small boxes at the bottom of the case. Let's start with this one on the left. The box contains a customized phone case. It has the same simple design as the box. This plastic phone case also has Triquetra printed in the center. Its depiction as interlace is common in the Insular ornament from about the 7th century. So is miHoYo hinting that the Paimon is from Celestia, or is she heavenly principles? The answer may only be known when we got to the end of the story. What I do know now is that this phone case build quality is great and I love it. I also love the 2 acrylic panels on the underside of the case. These 2 pieces of acrylic can be more than just decorative items. They can also be combined to make a phone holder, which is very cute. This time the card pin becomes Paimon's crown. That's impressive. But like the Hutao edition Homa card pin, it would have been better if it was made not so thin. We won't go into too much detail about the instruction manual, warranty card, and rare stickers, as they are all pretty common. By the way, I scanned the QR code for you guys. It's a Paimon-themed UI, not a Primogems code. Honestly, I still miss the 1000 Primogems from the Hutao edition. The other box is a bit more boring, containing only a charger and a charging cable. The charger has Paimon's head printed on the top and its name written underneath, while the charging cable doesn't have any customization elements. It's the same as a regular Ace 2 Pro's cable. Perhaps people didn't like the Hutao edition's back cover design, so in Xiangling and the Paimon edition, there weren't any customization on the phone's appearance. Yes, it doesn't even have an exclusive color scheme. It's exactly the same as a regular Ace 2 Pro. So let's go straight to what's inside the phone. Did I get the wrong phone? Where is the Paimon theme? And where's the Genshin Impact? Oh my god! OnePlus, is this really how you should treat us? I bought a Genshin Paimon phone and then I need to install Paimon themes and games myself? Are you serious? I finally understand why they gave you a Paimon theme UI code. Fine. When we installed the theme with the QR code, we found that the theme is still quite exquisite. The lock screen is still the same Paimon in the new outfit and is movable. The assistant icons are also items from Genshin. For example, the camera is camera and setting is the gear style common to Fontaine. There's also an exclusive animation when it's charging, but it's blocked for a little while by the system's charging animation. Other than that, there's nothing special about it. About how the Ace 2 Pro performs with the Genshin 4.0, we went over it in detail in the full review. You can check it out by clicking the link in the top right corner. To be honest, I'm quite disappointed with the Paimon edition. As a phone, the Ace 2 Pro is excellent, but as a Genshin co-branded phone, it flunks. The accessories are great, but the customization elements of the phone are getting less and less. By looking back, the Hutao edition is the best among Genshin co-branded phone. If OnePlus and the Genshin phone's collaboration keeps going this way, then maybe this is the last time we will be doing unboxing videos of them for you guys. As a Genshin fan, I hope it won't come to that. I'm Will from China. We'll see you next time.